Hey guys, I'm Olivia and you're watching my channel LivsCrafts. Today I decided it would be fun if I painted with flowers. So it's not necessarily a DIY that I'm doing today, but it was just kind of something fun to do while I was bored. So I actually had a lot of fun doing this, and we actually took a lot of cool photos after, and I also made a cool little TikTok I'll probably put over here, or like when I'm done talking I'll put it in. But it was so fun, and the little like designs and stuff that came out are so cool. And you can of course do this with any flowers. These are just the flowers that I had in the house. Actually my sister had in the house. So yeah, so this was a fun little activity, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. So as you can see, this was attempt number 1, and I kind of just dipped the flower into a glob of paint, and the results didn't come out so good when I was pressing the flower onto the paper. So you'll see what I do eventually later on, but you can see here, like, this might be cool looking to you, but to me it was too like blotchy, and there was too much paint on the flower in my opinion. So I kind of moved on from that, and what I did was I used a paintbrush and like painted the flower before I put it on the paper. And I found out that this would look a lot better, and I did the front of the flower, I used the front of the flower, and then eventually you'll see I moved and used the back of the flower to get an even cooler print. So yeah, that's kind of what I did, and then I did that over and over and over and over and over and over again, and then once I finished, I had completed the painting. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel for more crafty and DIY videos. Make sure to comment down below if they are enabled, what kind of DIYs you would like to see. And if the comments are not enabled, make sure to take my poll in the corner. I can never point to the right corner, so it's in one of these corners, somewhere up here. It's a little iCard. You'll see it. So yeah, and you can vote on there too which DIY you would like to see. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!